Okay, so as you can see in Healthy, we've got this test patient Mickey Mouse, and as you can see, like right now, date of birth's not set, and his insurance isn't in here as well. So what we'll do is we will get this added from Tellescope. So first, we want to make sure that we have a database that's created. Since we have the Healthy integration set up already, if we click this import button, we can search for the list of payers. So let's say we wanted Aetna. We could add Aetna, and it'll automatically add with the ID. You can edit the name if you'd like. If you put the ID is what we're matching against in Healthy. And then for type, it'll default to other, but if you have like Medicaid, for example, you'd want to include that in the type column. And for the database, you just want to make sure that we have the ID, name, and type. And so if we want to get this added through a database select, we can come to this insurance question type that we've created in Tellescope. We would select insurance for the type. We would pull from that insurance database that we've already created, and then our billing provider would be Healthy. And we want to make sure that this question updates the insurance details in Tellescope. If we want to sync other fields like date of birth, for example, we could have a date of birth question type, and then we want to make sure that that syncs as a date of birth field in Tellescope. So if we go over to Mickey Mouse, who's been synced, in order for this to work right now, we will have to have his gender set in Tellescope. So if we select it to male, the sync will work. We will start syncing Healthy gender, so you wouldn't have to do this input. But for right now, that's one of the requirements in order for the sync to work. So this would either just be an additional question in the form, or you'd have your team update the gender. And so if we come into the form, date of birth plus insurance, you put in his date of birth. You could say Aetna Advantage, and then you could say this is the member ID. And so after submitting it, we can see for Tellescope, the insurance has been added, as well as his date of birth. And so then if we come back into Healthy and refresh, we'll see that his date of birth is here and his insurance is here.